All right, guys, break number 2 from Series 3 Big Box. See if we can top break number 1. So 12 spots all together. Only letters we're not using are Q and X. So every box has got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in it. The only exception to that is the game-used shoes from LeBron. They're not autographed, they're game-used. But everything else is autographed. So see if we can pull that. The LeBron shoe, you got the Patrick Mahomes autographed full-size helmet, some other big names as well. So Rick M., you've got 3 spots in this. Paul M. with 2. Brian K's got 1. Grant's got 2. Ricky, what's up, man? You've got 3 spots in this. And then Jason J. closed us out with the last spot. So Rick, Paul, Brian, Grant, Ricky, and Jason, thank you guys for helping us fill this break tonight. So yeah, if you guys are new to Big Box, we'll get a couple more. You can buy spots, just random spots on our website. So we will list our next couple of boxes for next weekend on the website here probably tomorrow. So you can go to tenskinbreaks.com, click on Random Breaks, and you'll see Big Box there. So you guys feel free to jump in for next week. Plus that automatically gets you into our monthly giveaway that'll be next weekend. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the guys that are in this 5 times. So 2 spots, or 2 last name letters per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. It's $80 a spot. Yeah, 80 per spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So it's the priciest break that we do in terms of price per spot. There's not many things that go above that. But the hit value is huge. All right, Brian K. Whoop. Seriously? All right, so Brian, you've got last name letters N and H. Grant, you've got S, F, Z, and J. Jason's got I and A. Paul, you've got W, U, B, and E. Rick, you've got M, R, C, K, P, and V. And then Ricky, you've got D, G, L, Y, T, and O. Yeah, super breaks tonight. Everything that's on the website will break tonight. Literally the only thing we're not breaking tonight is the Clearly Authentic. So everything else, all the website random breaks, if they fill up tonight, they'll break tonight. And then all the eBay stuff is going tonight too. All right, so box 37 out of 50. This box is in good shape. All right, everything's sealed up on this end. All right, guys, good luck. All right, guys, good luck. All right, here we go. All right, good start. Got that Ted Williams autograph. I love these things, man. Ted Williams autographed coin. It's got the C of A sticker right there. Such a cool hit, man. Where else are you going to find a Ted Williams autograph? Those are not cheap. So last name W on that. Paul M., that's coming to you. All right, you wouldn't think E would be a hit. but it's going to be, however you pronounce it, Etienne. Travis Etienne. I got to learn how to pronounce his name. Clemson running back, just got drafted by the Jags. Got 18-19 champs inscribed. Got some other inscription there, 44-16, I think. So JSA authenticated. So last name E. Paul, another one for you. All right, Paul's 2 for 2. All right, another jersey. All right, hockey this time, Joel Farabee. And this is an Adidas Fanatics. So this is a authentic jersey, dude. That's nice. Nice one there. David Adams authenticated. So last name F is going to be Grant. So Grant, we got you one hit there, man. All right, looks like we got an autographed basketball. All right, there is the auto. It is JSA authenticated. Rick M., this is coming to you. It's going to be a Mario Chalmers. I guess former Miami Heat. I don't know where he's playing now. There's the sticker. There's that right there. Let me pull this thing up. Alright, so there is the Chalmers auto. So it looks like we got one more hit coming out of here. Alright, let's see what we pull out of this one. Dude, how about a dual sign? So we got a Marshall Faulk and a Roger Craig. Dual signed 16 by 20, PSA DNA authenticated. So that's going to be F and C. So C is Rick M, F is going to be Grant. So that'll be a random. And that's how we'll bring this one to an end. So let's go ahead and do the random here, figure out who's going to get that one. Alright, so everything else, just paper in the bottom. Alright, so let's go ahead and randomize that. So give me just 1 second. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and randomize this 5 times. Take the name at the top after 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to C. So I think, Rick, that one was you. All right, so that'll do it for Big Box break number 2. We'll get those items in the mail tomorrow. And we'll do breaks 3 and 4 next weekend. So be on the lookout on the website, tennskinbreaks.com. Click on random breaks and jump in with us next weekend.